How to create a collage picture to your CapCut videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a collage picture to our CapCut videos. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. Let's begin with it. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open the CapCut application onto your device and tap on this new project. After that, select a video. From here, I'm just gonna select this one for now. After that, tap on add. After doing so, what you can do is you can see this overlay option at the bottom. Just click on it and select the same video that we just selected. After that, tap on add, and you may just place it in different corners of your screen. So I'm just gonna overlay, or you may just do this one first. After that, place it on this corner and select a different video here, the overlaid video. You may just adjust it accordingly and try creating a collage just like this, and again overlay. You can see this add overlay option and that again, and you may just add it here and again add, and then place it over here, and there you go. You have successfully created a collage. So you may just edit it accordingly, and then you may just export it onto your gallery, and that's how you basically create a collage picture to your CapCut video. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.